Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to get Hilton gift cards. At the bottom of this video will be a link for you to click to receive your free vacation certificate. Only one person can redeem a certificate. If you need more than one, click the link until you get the amount needed. Every time you click the link, a new certificate with a new number will be generated. Save them to your computer. To redeem your certificate, print it out, fill out the form on the bottom left, then fax or mail it to redeem your vacation. You can also click on the bottom right of the certificate that says click here to redeem and follow the instructions on the internet. These certificates are great for anyone who wants vacations at extremely low prices. The prices are so low it's almost free. If you have a business on or off the internet, you can use them to generate new customers or use them for customer retention. If you have any questions, please forward all questions to almostfreevacations@gmail.com. Please like and share this video and subscribe so you can always get new discount vacation info first. Thanks for watching and enjoy your vacation.